Dealing with expenses is often the most tedious part of any business trip. Expensify promises to simplify this process. We're diving into the interface today to see just how intuitive and user-friendly it really is. The first impression is clean. Both the mobile app and the desktop version follow a simple, uncluttered design philosophy. The main navigation is straightforward, typically focusing on your expenses, reports, and reimbursements. This immediate clarity is a significant win. Adding an expense is where the interface truly shines. Expensify's flagship feature, Smart Scan, is designed for speed and ease. You simply snap a photo of a receipt within the app. The system automatically extracts the merchant, date, and amount. The whole process takes seconds. There's minimal manual data entry, which drastically cuts down on administrative friction. The success of the user interface largely hinges on this feature working reliably, and for the most part, it does. Categorizing expenses is also streamlined. Once an expense is logged, the system attempts to categorize it based on past behavior or merchant name. This machine learning element makes repeated use faster. For users who need to apply specific tags or codes, those options are readily available but don't clutter the initial screen. Creating and submitting an expense report is arguably the final major test of the interface's usability. Expensify automates this heavily. As you add receipts, they are automatically grouped into reports based on rules you set, like monthly or by project. The user simply reviews a ready-made report and hits submit. For an employee, this is a smooth, low-effort workflow. However, the experience isn't flawless. For administrators or finance teams managing policies and approvals, the dashboard can feel slightly denser. While powerful, the level of customization available in the backend sometimes requires a bit more digging to set up exactly as needed. The platform's commitment to a chat-based communication style for support and approvals is unique, but it might feel unconventional to users expecting traditional menus. On the go, the mobile app is excellent. It's designed to handle the most common tasks, receipt capture and quick review, perfectly. The synchronization between the mobile and desktop versions is instant, meaning you never lose track of a receipt, regardless of the device you use to capture it. Overall, Expensify delivers a highly user-friendly experience, prioritizing simplicity and automation for the end user. The interface effectively moves the focus from tedious data entry to simple verification, making a universally disliked task much more palatable. It succeeds in its goal of making expense reporting practically disappear into the background.